Okay, so then there is what is called block quotes. So block quote is where so this greater than character is used. Okay, and then of course this asterisk we haven't done that yet. We'll get to that in just a second. So the greater than sign is used to create a block quote. So here to create a nested block code. Okay, so this is the first block code. Okay, so welcome to the world of Python. So see that it is indented. Okay, and then you have that. And if you want, are you eager? Okay, this is indented even further. So to create nested block codes, use multiple greater than characters. So you do I think this is all right. So all right. So the greater than sign will indent for you. Okay. And then for text to appear as is, okay, as is, okay, enclose them between. We don't see anything there. Okay, so between, well, I don't know why it didn't. That backslash is for escape characters. I don't know why it didn't. Maybe I should do two of them. Well, I have to look into that. But anyway, so this is, you put between this tag, PRE, and then /PRE. So that means anything that appears between those two tags, okay, no formatting will be applied. It's just as is. Okay. Now when you use escape character, okay, suppose if you want one of the tags, okay, like a single asterisk is for italics. But what if you want single asterisk as a text in your whatever that you're typing? So that's when you use the escape character, which is the backslash. So used when to render markdown formatting characters as text. So example, so the two backslashes in front of an asterisk, well actually one. So this backslash itself is a escape character, so that's why I have two of them here. So only one will appear. So the backslash in front of asterisk renders asterisk as in the following. So that is asterisk, sign, asterisk, right? If I don't have that, okay, suppose if I don't put the backslash, then asterisk will not appear, because that single asterisk is a tag that Markdown understands as italics. Okay. So when you do that, then you see sign in italics, but stars are not there. But you want the star to appear as star, asterisk to appear as asterisk. Then you need to put an escape character in front of it. That escape character tells Markdown that what comes right after it, okay, just don't apply any tag to it, just produce it as is. Okay? All right, so next is your turn. Now we want you to produce this following. Okay, question number 4. So go ahead and. Right, next is list. Okay, there are two kinds of lists that you can have. You can have numbered list or bulleted list. Okay. Numbered list is going to have numbers for each bullet point. Bullet will be just a bullet, right? So we use star for, well, so this is ordered list. So we don't have to. You don't have to number them yourself. Okay, if you use the numbers in this way, okay, Markdown will count the numbers properly and then use 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now the sublist, okay, if you indent a little bit, then you get a sublist. You have to indent. Then indent, you have a sublist into the sublist and so on. Okay, so this is going to appear as 1, and then that will be 2, and that will be 3. Okay, and then if you look at the sublist, so here you get A, and then lowercase a and b, and so on. Okay, this is ordered list. Okay, and look at the numbers now. Even though we had just 1, 1, 1 everywhere, the ordered numbering is properly set up by Markdown. Okay, and then we have unordered list. Unordered list is just you can use a hyphen or you can use a single star. Single star or asterisk will also be used as a bullet point. Okay, instead of numbered or list, it is an unordered list. And you can also do sublist. Okay, you have to indent. Okay. All right. Now I want you to create this list in your turn. So the first line, okay, so that is a header. So let's use, well, once again, we need to make sure that it is a Markdown. Okay, so we have table of contents. Okay, and then we have start. I'm just typing in the first letter, I'm sorry, first word. Okay. See. Okay. All right. So you all good? Now horizontal line, so you may want to separate some sections with the horizontal line. So use 3 hyphens. Okay, so you need to leave a blank space, you need to leave a blank line, and then you put 3 hyphens. The 3 hyphens will be converted into a horizontal line. Or you can use 3 asterisks as well. Or you can use 3 underscores. Okay. They all will generate a horizontal line of different, you can't, the first one you can see, the second and the third one is there, but you can't see it because of the contrast, I guess, in my screen. It's there. But so, I would use underscores, hyphens, 3 hyphens for horizontal line. Okay. Now web link, you can just simply cut and paste the web link. That's it. So you're working on something and you get some additional information. So you're trying to figure out how to do a lambda function, and then you have a help page for lambda function somewhere that you Googled and found out. So if you have that, then okay, so let's say here basic syntax for Markdown. So you go to the URL, you copy the URL, and then you just simply type it in. Copy paste it. You need to change it to a Markdown, and you do Control V to paste it, and that's it. You'll have that URL inserted. Then you will be able, just clickable. You click and you go to that website. So for citing references, this is very good. You're typing up a report on the explanation of whatever that you've done, and you can say for more information visit blah blah blah. So you copy paste the website address, then you have it. Okay, so image. Again, if you double click the image and you see, you can just simply copy paste the image, and that's it. Or if you have an image that you have saved, you need to make sure that your path is properly cited, because if this is going to assume that wherever the home folder is, that's where the file is. So here I have image.png, but this I think is I have attached it to the file itself. So we can go, excuse me. So let's see that we go to UTC. Let's see. All right. So let's say that we want. All right. We want this image, right? So right click and then copy image. Okay. And then there you go. Thank you. So the only reason why I had all this trouble was because I forgot to change it to Markdown. So then you have it. Okay.